Today I will show you how to build a base cabinet from Ikea. This is a section cabinet. Hi, my name is Cindy and let's get started. Upon opening the box, you will find a backboard, first side panel, bottom shelf, second side panel, top rails, and hardware box. Pro tip, place the two side panels in the mirroring position. Make sure the grooves for the backboard are next to each other. The hardware box will contain all the screws, locks, wooden dowels, brackets for this cabinet. Starting at the top back, place one bracket in this position with 3 screws and repeat onto the other panel. Then, at the bottom row of each side panel, we screw in 3 cam screws into the small holes. We then work on the bottom shelf. Insert 6 locks. Make sure the arrows on the locks are pointing outward. Insert the wooden dowels into the holes next to each lock. Should look like this. We then align the cam screws into the holes where the locks are. Turn the cam locks 180 degrees clockwise to secure the 2 pieces together. Slide in the backboard like so, secure the top rail in the front of the cabinet, and proceed on with the back one. This rail will have 2 white clips that hold the backboard in place. Once again, align the other side panel cams into the holes where the locks are. Screw in the top rails and turn the cam locks 180 degrees clockwise to secure the 2 pieces together. Final step, nail the backboard using the nails provided in the hardware box. Pro tip, start nailing at the bottom of the cabinet and then move your way up on both sides. This will help to ensure your cabinet is square. And there you have it. You now know how to build an IKEA section cabinet. Thank you for watching and happy building.